Hello, my dear students. Welcome to another interesting session by Vedantu Young Wonders, and this is your mathematics master teacher Priya Ma'am, starting with a new episode for Shanka Samadhan. तो क्या आप सब ready हो बच्चों? So today it's a live doubt solving session along with the quizzes. So before we move ahead, let's see the session plan for the day. So what all will be covered in today's session by Priya Ma'am? Before we start with it quickly, can we have all your friends in the class, guys? Yes. Quickly share the session with your friends. Tell them it's 8 o'clock sharp and Priya ma'am is there live to tell you about her schedule, right? To tell a small introduction of herself. Give a shout out to homework winners, name of the students, quiz time, solution of your doubts, again a quiz time. So this will be a recap quiz where I'll be checking how much do you remember what all we had actually covered and also question of the day. Yes, Menti is there. The quiz is there with the help of Menti only. Plus Menti for quizzes. Right? So now before we move ahead guys, this is a small introduction of your master teacher Priya ma'am. So if you talk about my educational qualifications, I have done my B.Ed, my B.Com, my C.Tet, and right now also I am pursuing my Masters in Economics. And if you talk about the passion, so I love making handmade crafts and solve Sudoku puzzles out there. और अगर आप achievements की बात करो तो बच्चों I love the way when you all keep on putting up in the chat box and comment box, ma'am, you have taken away the fear of mathematics. And if you talk about the skills, so conducting fun engaging activities, making children feel comfortable with the subject is what I love to do for you all so that you do not have that fear of mathematics, right? Unless and until you are comfortable with something, you won't enjoy that. And the languages which I know are Hindi and English. If you want to know more about me, then follow me on Instagram by the ID of Priya_Vedantu, where you will get to know more about the links and everything out there, right? And now I would move off the screen to show you the weekly schedule. So in case if you have missed out any of the sessions till now, right? So please have a look at them. And right now you will be having all these sessions. Okay? Not right now. Whenever we have the sessions. Great, I can see Minakshi has started following me on Instagram. So all those who will follow me right now, you will also get a big shout out in the class, bacha. Amazing. So here if you see, we know that over here learning and quizzes go hand in hand. So we will revise, we will do the quizzes, we will do the live doubt solving session. So here is a big shout out to all my homework winners out there. CB Yadav, Shivansh, Gungun Tagore, Aditya and Sneha. Well done guys. All of you actually did a great job in the homework winners. Right? So all these are the topics which you have, not the topics, the question which you have marked correct. That's amazing. So I request everybody of you to put up the homework challenge which I'll be showing you at the end of the class in your comment box. कि क्या है उसका answer so that you can also get a homework winner shout out by Priya ma'am. And if you see, here are name of the students whose doubts will be taken care of in the session. So मैंने आपको बोला I'll be choosing 5 people from you all. So today it's Nishida, Sia, Aarti, Charvi and N. Patil. आज हम आप सबके डाउट्स लेंगे and others, all those who have doubts, you will be getting a link in the telegram in the description box later where you can put up your doubts. So now it's time for everybody to give a big fat thumbs up to the session guys. Why do we do that? We actually need to mark our attendance. ठीक है, जल्दी से बच्चों, क्लास में आप आ गए हो तो अटेंडेंस कौन मार्क करेगा? Quickly. So this is to mark your attendance in the class guys, and then share it with your friends. Let them know Priya ma'am is live. Subscribe to the channel, and on the right bottom just put it up in the comment box that how was the session so that I can see your names in the YT lovers list. It's very important to get the feedback from you all, right? So mark the attendance everybody. Yeah, Menti will be there bacha. Menti will be there. We will be enjoying the quizzes. Do not worry. So all of you mark your attendance. You have entered the class. Let me see all your friends in the class. So before we move ahead guys, I would like to ask you all, do you face any of these problems? Do you face any of these problems? Do you have doubts, need more conceptual clarity, need more questions and assignments? Are you lagging behind in your syllabus or looking for a revision plan? or are you looking for a revision plan? Let me know in the chat box. Yes, everybody. Let me know in the chat box. Are you facing any of these problems or might be all of these problems? Let us see. Yes, everybody. Yes, do you have all these problems? Do you have all these problems, guys? So if you have any of these problems, then I have a one-stop solution for you all, and that amazing offer is going on at Vedantu with the amazing classes, right? So there will be live interactive classes, and this is the batch date, which is the last batch, which is starting from 14th of Feb. So grade 6, 7 and 8. Do not miss out this amazing opportunity where you will be getting the full crash course. Full syllabus will be covered in your crash course along with what? Test and assignments, right? And you will also have live doubt solving session. Assignments will be given to you, detailed report of your test, unlimited classes you can attend, master teachers notes, the notes made by the subject matter experts at Vedantu. All this will be free of cost to you when you enroll to the live classes, which are starting from 14th Feb. So are you all really super duper excited for it? So for this, what you need to do? What you need to do, let's have a look at it. So I'll go off the screen. There's a link given in the description box, right? There's an amazing offer going on, right, guys? Let's have a look at it. So select your grade over here, right? Suppose I choose आप सबो grade 7 में, then आप अपना crash course choose कर लीजिए, whether you are in ICSE or CBSE. So when you do that, you come over here, and can you all see the amazing prices out there? Yes, it's just rupees 800 for your leftover timing for this academic session. And even if you put the coupon code as PJAPRO, you will get an instant discount of 10%. So that means in 720 rupees, बच्चा इससे सस्ता क्या ही मिलेगा आपको, where you get the live classes, test series analysis, assignments, notes, doubt solving during class. That too not only for mathematics, I am talking about for math, science, English, social. So if you divide it by the number of sessions which you get at Vedantu, it will be so affordable for you, right? And if you see the Pro Classic one, जहाँ पे आपको एक additional feature मिलता है, that is doubt solving on mobile app. So it is for just rupees 900. यहाँ पे आपको एक doubts app मिलेगा where you can put up your doubt from 8 o'clock in the morning, so till 11 o'clock at night. So all those who are early morning risers and studying, or all those who study till late at night and have doubts, all of you can put up your doubts and get your doubts cleared, right? So all these are the amazing offers which you are getting at Vedantu. So do not miss out this last batch which is starting for grade 6, 7, 8. And you can also share this link which is given in the description box, also in the pinned comment, to all your friends, to all your cousins out there. And the promo code is PJAPRO, where you get 10% discount button. So you can share it to everyone, whether they are in grade 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13, right? So all of them can get offer by your Priya Ma'am's ID. Got it? Great. Ayush, you can put up your doubt in the form link, the doubt form link out there. So now it's time for all of us to start with the recap quiz, the recap Menti quiz after a long time. Are you all ready for it, guys? So quickly go on to www.menti.com and put the code as 32210784. All my new joinees, let me tell you, this is the new platform where we keep on playing live quizzes over here, right? So I hope all of you have marked your attendance also. Yes. So we will start the Menti very soon. But before that, let's have everybody marking their attendance. Then only Priya Ma'am will start. Unless and until I get the attendance, how can you enter the class? Chalo, let us see. Everybody. Got it? Menti code for the day is 322107884. Call all your friends and let's get started with our Menti for the day. And here I can see so many people have joined. That's amazing, guys. That's really amazing. The code is 322107884. Yes, the lovely profile pictures are there in front of me. Great going, guys. Amazing. Yes. Fatima, there's no chapter today. We are having the live doubt session, right? So based on that only, I will be asking you a few questions. Then we will take up few doubts of your friends in the class. Last 15 seconds more, quickly. Go to www.menti.com and put the code as 322107884. Let us see. Yes. Hi Fatima, hi Nitin, hi Shravani, hi Palak, hi Sabri. Last 5, done. Mark your attendance also. Hi Nikita. Thank you Palak. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here comes your question number 1. You have 30 seconds to lock your answer. If x is equals to 3, find the value of 5x minus 7. If x is equals to 3, find the value of 5x minus 7. Is it 7, 6, 8 or 9? Is it 7, 6, 8 or 9? There's no single chapter quiz, Neha. This is a mixed chapter quiz and also you have the doubts from any chapter by your friends. Last 2, 1 and the time's up. With the correct answer to it being 7. So 5 threes are 15 and 15 minus 7 is 8 bacha. So here we have the fastest finger list, the leaderboard with Dhani. Thank you so much. Followed by Yuvraj, Nagacharan, Swabiman, Albert Einstein. Oh, it's Abhishek. Followed by Divya, Rhythm, Casper, Salamence and Hitesh. Well done, guys. Let us see the next question for the day. Question number 2. Are you all ready? Yes. Enroll to the Menti. 322107884. Guys, I am not ignoring anybody. You are ignoring the session right now. Your quiz questions are going. Let's join. And here we move to question number 2. When the sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, such angles are called supplementary angles, adjacent angles, complementary angles or vertically opposite angles. What are they called? You have another 20 seconds to lock your answer. Let us see. Another 10, 9, 8, let's see, 3, 2, 1 and the time's up. With the correct answer to it being complementary angles. Right? So it is complementary angles. Nagacharan, Swabiman, Abhishek, Divya, Hitesh, Devanshi, Eklavya, Kritika, Anubhav and Anushka. Well done, guys. Great job done. So right now Swabiman is leading after second question. And here we go. Question number 3. And all the best. A rectangular piece of land measures this much. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rounds. What is the length of the wire required? What is the length of the wire required? Last 10 seconds more. And the time's up. With the correct answer to it being not 2 kilometers, guys. So fencing is to be done on the perimeter. So what will be perimeter of this piece of land? It will be twice of length plus breadth because it's a rectangle. And if it needs to be fenced with 4 rounds, so multiply the perimeter by 4. So the perimeter is, the wire needed is 6 kilometers. So here we have the leaderboard for the day. After third question, with Swabhiman, Nagacharan, Divya, Anubhav, Lucky, Mihika, Joel, Abir, Sankirtan and Dhani. Well done. Thank you so much, Mihika. Abir, welcome, bacha. And now, before I show you question number 4, it's time for all of us to have a look at the doubts now. Right? Then we will be continuing with the quizzes. Let's have the doubts of our friends. Let's have the doubts of our friends. So the first doubt is by Nishida today. Nishida says, if the cost of a bat and a baseball combined is this much, and the bat costs this much more than the ball, how much is the ball? Can you all tell me first of all that there are two objects given, bat and baseball. So which has to be taken as unknown? Which has to be taken as unknown? Tell me. Right? The one which is not dependent, which is dependent on by the other one. Right? It is ball. Yes. So ball will be taken as x, and if ball is x, then bat will be x plus 1. Then bat will be x plus 1. So let's have a look at it. So as I told you, cost of a ball is x, cost of bat is 1 plus x or x plus 1. When these two are added, it's 1.10. That's given in the question, bacha. तो solve करेंगे तो हमारी x की value आएगी 0.05. And do not forget to write the concluding statement along with the units. Along with the units, right? Mamta, Shiv, Kavya, Priyanshu, got it everybody? Right? Let us see the next one. Now we have the next question by Sia. If 9a plus 7 is equals to 3, then what is the value of a? So Sia, my dear, good question. You have asked the question from simple equations chapter. So that's an interesting one where we have one of the variables. Right? So the variable value have to be found out by shifting the variable to one side, that is preferably we take it on the left side, bacha. Right? Preferably we should take it as the left side. Okay? So you get the answer as minus 4 by 9. How come? Plus 7 goes to the other side becomes minus 7, and 9 when goes to the other side comes as in division. Because when the side changes, sign also changes. So plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiply becomes divide, and divide becomes multiply. These are the operations you have to take care of. These are the signs, the mathematical operations we have to take care of. Let us move to the next question by Nishida. Nishida's doubt is again based on BODMAS, which I have already taught you earlier in our doubt solving session. So Nishida, my dear, B stands for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Right? So here if you see division, first of all we can put a bracket. So first you have to solve this. So whenever it's division of fractions, what do? We have to do the reciprocal of the second one, and when you do the reciprocal, division becomes multiplication. Right? Fatima, O stands for multiplication only, off. O for off actually becomes multiplication only. So if you see off in any of the questions, when you get BODMAS questions, you can replace it by multiply, but that off wala multiply should be solved first. Should be solved first. Right? So here, then you again solve multiplication first. You can put the brackets for your convenience. And when addition and subtraction are left, we move from left to right. So 9 minus 9 is 0. right? You can write 0 plus 1. You can add this step by your own. Got it? Let us move to the next question. Aarti's doubt is based on this algebraic expression which has to be solved. Aarti, first you need to remove the bracket. So what is the order of the brackets which I have taught you? The first one is bar bracket, then it is round bracket or parenthesis or simple bracket, then it is curly bracket which is also braces, and then it is square brackets. So these are the four simple names in which order, in this order only, we have to solve our brackets, right? Or else this is the BODMAS brackets part. So now keep opening the bracket, but we don't have to open directly. We have to see the sign also before opening the brackets. Before opening the brackets. Right? Got it? So plus minus will become minus and minus minus will become plus. So when you solve this, you will get one by one. We need to open all the brackets. And most of the brackets have minus sign before them. So be careful when you open the brackets. Right? Be careful when you open the brackets. Then you will get few like terms. So you can write the like terms together. Right? And then unlike terms. And then the constants to be solved. And here you see minus y plus y gets cancelled. So I do not have any y term in the next step. Let's move to the last doubt for the day, that is of Charvi. Charvi's doubt is related to perimeter of a rectangular field where the area has to be found, but the relationship between length and breadth is given, bacha. Right? So here if you see, breadth is x and they are saying length is double of it. So twice of length plus breadth. So 900 is equals to 2x plus 2x. So that is 900 upon 2 is equals to 3x. Keep x on one side. So 3 will go in division and you will get 150 meter. Right? And you will get 150 meter. Got it? So now moving on to the area part. When you have the breadth, when you have the length, multiply both of them and do not forget the units. Units are very important. So area of this rectangular plot is 45,000 square meter. Right? Let us move to our next quiz part for the day. And that is, my dear, the same quiz code is there. And we are going to continue with our remaining questions. So can we have all our friends on the Menti now? Can we have all the friends in the Menti now? Yes. Very good. So let me see how many of you have joined the Menti again. So now we will be doing remaining 4 questions of our Menti. Let us see. With 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here we go with question number 4. The exponential form of 81 is which of them? The exponential form of 81 is which of them? Another 15 seconds more. Last 6. And the correct answer to it is 3 raised to the power 4. Right? The answer to it is 3 raised to the power 4 because 3 multiplied by itself 4 times will give you 81. Divya, Nagacharan, Mihika, Anubhav, Sankirtan, Lucky, Albert, Einstein, that's Abhishek, Divya, Kritika, Hitesh and OP Hari. Well done. Right? Let us see question number 5. Let us see the next one. Find 50% of 164. Another 20 seconds more. Another 6 seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and the time's up. With the correct answer to it being option C, that is 82. That is 82, guys. Right? Let us move to the next one. Oh, we have the leaderboard first. Nagacharan, Mihika, Anubhav, Lucky, Albert, Divya, Hitesh, Devanshi, Mathophobia gone, Adya, that's amazing, and Prekshit. Sorry, Vartika, done, bacha. Let us see the next question for the day. Question number 6, the second last question for the day. And guys, this can be the game changer for the day. And here we go. Are the ratio 1:2 and 2:3 equivalent? Yes, equivalent, not equivalent, none of these. What do you say? Another 12 seconds more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and the time's up. With the correct answer to it being not equivalent. No, they are not equivalent, my dears. Right? They are already in the simplest form, so you can check that they are not equivalent. Nagacharan, Mihika, Anubhav, Lucky, Abhishek, Adya, Hitesh, Abir, Ira, and Kanishka. Well done. Here we move to the last question for the day. So all the best, guys. Hope you have enjoyed this Menti quiz with us, and do not forget to mark your attendance over here, and I'll be showing you the amazing interesting homework question for the day right after this. And here we go. If the value of the expression x square minus 5x plus k for x is equals to 0 is 5, then what is the value of k? Let us see. Then what is the value of k in this particular question? That if you substitute x is equals to 0, the value of the expression becomes 5. Vishwajit, Joel, 1 and the time's up. With the correct answer to it being option D, that is 5. Because if you substitute x as 0, you are left with just k is equals to 5. So the value of k came directly. And before we show the leaderboard, who is the winner? Nagacharan, Mihika, Anubhav, Lucky, Abhishek, Adya, Hitesh, hello ma'am, Sankirtan and Joel. So today's winner is Nagacharan. For I think you are joining it for the first time. At the leaderboard, I can see you with 6,564 points. Congratulations, my dear Nagacharan. And now it's time for the homework question for the day. So guys, quickly note down your homework question, for which the answer you have to write it down in the comment box. The answer should be written in the comment box, right? So this is your weekly schedule by Priya Ma'am. So make a note of it. You will be getting few sessions few more sessions in the next week also. So if you have missed out any session, you can have a look at it. And this is your Priya Ma'am's Instagram ID, that is Priya_Vedantu, right? So you can follow me over there to know more about me, to know more about the classes. And for Telegram, join us on t.me/Vedantu Junior to get all the schedules. So give a big fat thumbs up to the session, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel on the right bottom and put it up in the comment box that how was the session. Okay? Schedule is there, Shravani. You can watch it in the replay. So thank you so much, guys. Till we meet next. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. This is your mathematics master teacher signing off for the day. Bye bye. Good night.